Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner, one more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center, shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, and breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time the hands float up, coming all the way up and over, as if you're draping the coat right over the shoulder, and then push to the corner. Once again, breathing in, floating up. Breathing out, draping the coat. One more time. This time, step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight. Step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Really taking your time. No place to go. Can you be here now? Just being present. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up and over, draping the coat right over the shoulder, and then pushing through, right to the corner. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, this time floating up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. And then from here, this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level, and then down. Same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other one by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like, on the same side as the arm in front, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up, meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. right, one more time on this side. The rooster stands on one leg. Then the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height. And then this hand here scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. And then back down. Same side again, just the arms. Taking your time. The hand comes right out in front, the other one by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like, on the same side as the arm in front, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. It's okay to wobble, just letting go of judgment the best you can, bringing curiosity instead. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then from here, the arms circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open. The arms float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then from here, the backhand scoops up all the way diagonally, making a loose fist. Draw the hand in towards the hip, other side. The back of the hand leads the way as the dragon grabs the elixir. Gentle rotation, the arm swings around. Loose fist, draw it in, one more time. The dragon grabs the elixir. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center as you soften down. The hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Breathing in, and breathing out. Or take as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. Then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Then step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under. Step in as you catch the moon. The top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again. Toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon, bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect, just keep on moving. One more time, parting the horse's mane. And then the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around, and then back up top, crossing the wrists. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountain top. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Top hand goes away just for now. Step out to the corner. And as you step out, bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time bottom hand scoops under, cross the wrists, float back all the way around, and then back up to the mountain peak, the princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, circle it around, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, then cross the wrists right in front of the heart as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. Step the foot out to the side, the hands brush out to the sides as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing your knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel to the corner, or you can kick it straight down towards the earth. or anywhere in between. And then finally, you can open your arms as you kick your heel, the heel kick. Kicking straight out to the corner or down towards the earth or anywhere in between. All right, one more time. On this side, the heel kick. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides. Then step the other foot in, cross the wrists in front of the heart. As you step in, step out to the corner or out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing it to the corner, touching down as needed. It's all good. This time you can kick your heel either straight out or towards the earth, or anywhere in between. And then finally, the arms can open as you kick the heel kick. And once again, you can kick straight out or towards the earth, just meeting yourself where you're at. One more time, the heel kick. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart as you soften down. Then the hands brush out to the sides, coming all the way up and over, down the center, planting the tree. Other side, the hands float up, coming up and over, down the center. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, both hands drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. Switching sides, leaning over to the side going up, and you can gently turn if you like. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side, still breathing. Touching down or lifting up. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. Then both arms reach up to the sky, they float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down. Then leaning over to one side, the hand floats up on the same side, and then floats down. Leaning over the other way, it's like we're bouncing the ball. This time as you lift your arm, you can lift the opposite leg if you like. Other side, you can always keep the foot down. We call this bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. One more time. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with our poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called The Flow of Life. Like water through ancient stone, a soft power carves a lasting path. Move with ease, not with force, and a strength will grow that will last. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.